Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable the BSM on your Suzuki. So we're gonna go into our settings. I am on the Suzuki Eviara. What are we gonna do here is we're gonna go to the ADAS. Here we have the BSM, and this is our blind spot mirroring. So whenever we cannot see someone, we will see it in our mirror. For example, we have those stickers, and we can easily just go over and enable it right here. Now it is disabled, it's gray, and now it is blue, so it works just fine. That's how you guys can do it. Also, the rear cross traffic alert, you can enable it. It's also a part of the blind spot mirror monitoring, so it's blind spot monitoring. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.